Where was the first global conference on manuscript heritage held in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the executive director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option A, Urjit Patel. Who won the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 by defeating England? Correct answer is option C, India. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 38th. Which city is the host of the World Athletics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tokyo, Japan. Who became the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Navy in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sub Lieutenant Astha Punia. Where was the first ever BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Which country has recently developed the world's first deep sea radar that can detect high flying aircraft? Correct answer is option C, China. What is the theme of the Tri Services Tableau being showcased during the 76th Republic Day Parade in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shashakt or Surakshit Bharat. Which tiger reserve has been designated as the 107th National Park of India? Correct answer is option A, Simlipal Tiger Reserve, Odisha. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating New Zealand? Correct answer is option A, India. Which two countries participated in the 12th edition of the joint naval exercise Slinex 25 in Colombo? Correct answer is option A, India and Sri Lanka. Who won the La Liga Championship 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Barcelona. Which tiger reserve became India's second largest after its expansion in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Which country ranked first in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, United States of America. Who was elected as the new president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option D, Kuning Patama Lispadtrakul. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association at the World Law Congress 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bhuvan Ribhu. Where did DRDO and Indian Air Force successfully test fire the indigenous Astra BVR missile in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, Chandipur, Odisha. Which Indian airport was awarded the Platinum Honor in the ACI Green Airports Recognition 2025? Correct answer is option C, Hubli Airport, Karnataka. When is World Press Freedom Day observed? Correct answer is option B, 3rd May. And the theme was Reporting in the Brave New World, the impact of the artificial intelligence on press freedom and the media. Who became the youngest world chess champion by defeating Ding Liren? Correct answer is option A, Gokesh Dummaraju. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Which of the following bill has been passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Which state became the first to implement semiconductor policy in India? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of New Delhi in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Where was India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Mausam Bhavan, New Delhi. Who is the author of the recently launched book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Mishra. Thichan and Mainar wetlands were designated as Ramsar site in June 2025. Located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option D, India. Who was sworn in as new Prime Minister of Singapore in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lawrence Wong. Where was the sixth edition of the India Uzbekistan Joint Military Exercise Dustlik 6 held? Correct answer is option C, Pune, Maharashtra. Who became the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? Correct answer is option B, Geeta Samota. Which company received the unified license to offer satellite based internet services in India on 31st July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Starlink. What is the name of the Indian Army operation launched to ensure the safe conduct of the Amarnath Yatra in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Operation Shiva 2025. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who became the youngest player to score century in IPL T20 cricket? Correct answer is option D, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. What is the new name of Mumbai's Karnik Bridge after its reconstruction in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sindoor Bridge. Who was appointed as the new governor of Haryana in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Professor Ashim Kumar Ghosh. India signed comprehensive economic trade agreement with which country on 24th July 2025? Correct answer is option D, United Kingdom. Which institution launched the Gyanodaya Center for Pedagogical Innovation and Publishing? Correct answer is option C, IIM Kozhikode. Which police station became the first in India to receive the ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System certification from BIS? Correct answer is option B, Arthungal Police Station, Alappuja. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indore. Who launched Operation Spider Web, the largest drone attack on Russian air bases in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ukrainian military. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be established? Correct answer is option B, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Harmanpreet Singh is associated with which sport who was awarded the Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option A, hockey. Which Indian state has been named one of the go-to global destinations for 2025 by the Wall Street Journal? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has become the first country to launch a national cryptocurrency tourism payment system? Correct answer is option A, Bhutan. Which country became the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Moldova. The last question is, who won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which country is the host of the World Athletics Championship 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.